and welcome back to my channel. So me Diksha. So today we talk about how to learn English language. So without wasting time, we start our video. Firstly, we talk about point. One is watching like English videos, movies. Okay, listening like English songs, podcasts in English, slow podcast. Okay, you listen slow because it's मतलब तुम्हारे सीधे दिमाग में जाएगा वो सो या यू आई ऑल्सो यूज ओके सॉन्ग एंड वॉचिंग मूवीज एंड सॉन्ग एंड रीडिंग बुक्स शॉर्ट स्टोरी बट सिंपल शॉर्ट एंड very effective. Okay, you watch a cartoon, you read cartoon videos like picture also, so you read. Okay, and you have a small child in your house, so you read their books, his books and her books. Okay, okay, reading. And the fourth is writing. Like I write all my day, like नाइट सोने से पहले, लाइक आई एम स्लीपिंग, लाइक सोने से पहले मैं एक पेज ज़रूर इंग्लिश लिखती हूँ, मतलब अपना पूरा दिन लिखती हूँ, वो भी इंग्लिश में. ओके, दिस इज अ हेल्प मी रीडिंग ऑल्सो. एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज वी थिंक इट्स अ मेमोरी तेज होती है, शॉर्ट मेमोरी. एंड लाइक ओके, इज अ फाइव इज speaking practice. Like me also practice. I also practice in this YouTube channel. So this is a 5 point. You try and you follow. You follow the four tip I give you. So one is watching. I watch many movies. I don't know name because I watch movies. I don't see a name whose movie name I don't see. So I don't have a recommend to movie. So you watch, you love. So I always watch simple but many words, like I understand. I not watch very hard English movies. I watch simple, and I watch more and more cartoons because it's easy to understand. And also I understand, like I'm not understanding something, I search to Google. Yeah, it's so simple. Okay. And songs, I listening songs, like i uh, I listen also and I speak also. Like when I listen song, I listen song. uh, mm, i like lyrics, I repeat lyrics, like song baby. So I search and lyrics with lyrics I search. And yeah, I also uh, speak songs like I don't love you like you are. Is reading. So I always read small stories. So it's helpful. It's helped me more and more. And fourth is fourth is uh, um, writing. So yeah, I write many things. Not only today, I write what I think and what I dream. Like many things. When I write, I my heart say, and जो भी मैं फील करती हूँ मैं सब लेके डालती हूँ. So and 5 is practice. Practice is the most important thing. Tomorrow, yesterday I practice in chat gpt. I say hello and he say many things, so I talk 10 minutes also, but because this is a night, so I'm not talk very much. So yeah, you can practice with camera, yourself mirror. I also practice in person, like one app. I download one app to practice in real person, people. Yeah. And because it's boost my confidence and hesitation, fight my hesitation. Like when I call for and I call first person, and my hesitation and my nervousness is so high, and I cut the call. And I think no, I can't do it. My mind is locked, I'm freezing like a statue. So yeah. And now it's more long time. So today I talk a small thing, I'm not at the call. Okay. And I also record my videos in English. And मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, हाँ, मोर एंड मोर टॉक करूँ इंग्लिश में. सो या इट्स लाइक, जब मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं एकदम इंग्लिश में ही बोलूँ सब कुछ. जो मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आता मैं उसे हिंदी में बोल देती हूँ. इट्स नॉर्मल बिकॉज जितना मुझे आता है मैं चाहती हूँ उससे मैं उसका ही आगे और बढ़ाऊँ. सो जितना मुझे इंग्लिश में आता है मैं उतना बोलती हूँ. जो मुझे नहीं आता है मैं उसे हिंदी में बोल देती हूँ. और मैं उसे कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं इंग्लिश में बोलने की मैं कुछ भी जैसे कहीं जाती हूँ तो हाँ, वैसे मैंने कभी किसी के सामने नहीं बोला बिकॉज ज़रूरत ही नहीं मतलब ठीक है आपसे मैं बोलूँगी एंड आप भी बोलिए. जैसे कहीं जाते हो तो आप भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलिए. ओके. So I talk about something special today. Like today, I wake up, I do my all work, and now I'm free. It's 10:30 and 10:30 a.m. and I have a time because some this is like yesterday I do my all work in 11th a.m. No, 11th no. I free at 2 a.m. I don't eat anything. I skip my breakfast and do my all work. Like I want my college work also pending, so I do. And like, oh my god, it's a whole day. Like sometimes I have a more time, but sometimes I don't have a time to eat anything. So yesterday is my very busy day and also very happy day also, like sad. My days mixed. It second video. Bye bye, meet tomorrow.